Hey guys, so I've been told that the crew is constructing the columns for the second floor today. These columns are support columns. The walls will fixate to them. The roof will fixate to them. So yeah, let's go check out how that process goes here in Ecuador. Rope supporting it on one end, and a rod, a stick, supporting it on the other end against the tree. So this is the second story, or will be. We gotta get these columns up so we can support the roof.
Okay, a little bit more about the plumbing. Now into the guest bathroom. We have all the plumbing done on this end of the house. So we went ahead and put pressure into the lines. We've got a gauge up here. We are pressure testing. So far everything looks good. It's holding right at 50 pounds. And I think we'll be good.
Nice. What do they got going on in the background here, Bob? Because we were talking about Revestier, so.
Right down the hallway, all of these windows, you can see again the forms on these that are used, and the string up above so that we have a straight surface all the way down the hall.
Yeah.
And we're just getting it all set up, ready to go.
Awesome. Yeah, because we've got part of the wall done here already, which is kind of hard to see here. Let me get to some better lighting.
Get out of your way.
Well, I don't know how. Okay, there's a little better lighting. So here we're Revestiered and no more Revestier. So they're basically just getting ready to Revestier the rest of the hallway here. And Bob, did we already cover why it takes so long to Revestier?
I think so, but I'll do it again. Each one of these has to get set up individually with the boards, and then you do this surface, move to the next one. It's just a lot of work getting it set up. It's a simple process, but it takes a little bit of time.
Yeah, that's good. We'll get it done. Bob, so while we're here, let's talk about the electrical. So this is what it looks like before the Revestier goes on. And
we cut out the holes for the boxes, and these are the conduit tubes that it comes through. Some of the wires are in place, but these are left movable until the Revestier comes along. That way these get set flush with the surface.
Makes sense.
And
then we
there
got
are some finished boxes in this room. Still running a few wires right now, but they come out flush with the surface.
And that looks pretty good.
Real good.
Yeah. Okay. Good stuff.